Hi, you guys. This is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I'm coming to you today to sneak my head in to let you see how far I got on the shawl. And for you guys who do not know what I am talking about, let me show it to you. This is the shawl that I am working up. And isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful. And when I finish working it up, what we're going to do? We're going to talk about it. So I just wanted to sneak in and just show you guys how far I got. There we are. This is how far I got so far, you guys. And I am loving it. Loving it. The yarn is beautiful. I'm not going to get too much into anything because when I finish, we're going to talk about it. Yes, we are. So I just wanted to come on, you guys, and just let you know my progress with it. And if you guys have any comments, any questions about anything, just go ahead and leave it down in the comment section, and I will answer them for you guys. And you know what? Another thing, you guys, I wanted to say was, if you do have any comments or questions or anything like that, you know, that is awesome. And if anyone on here knows the answer to the question, you know, answer it. One of the things that I had started this platform was because of doing a pattern, especially a crochet pattern. You have your ups and your downs, you have your successes. And I think when you talk about it, it makes it all better. You know, because then now you're going, oh man, oh my goodness, that person is going through the same thing, or she got stuck on that, or he got, you know, whatever it may be, you know, where it can become a community where we talk about crochet, which I love to do. So if you have any comments or questions or anything like that, you guys go ahead and leave them. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Out here in California, it looked like it was gonna rain, but it did not. Oh my word, I want some more rain. I don't know about y'all, but I do. So, okay, you guys, I will see you guys on the next video. And remember, you guys, when you are working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.